Hello everyone, welcome to lecture number 46. Now in lecture number 46, we will be dealing with a few questions of seating arrangement. Now let us begin with question number 1. Now in question number 1, we have 4-digit numbers which are to be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4-digit numbers are to be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many 4-digit numbers that can be formed? That would be 4 factorial, which is equals to 24. Clear? And none of these 4 digits are repeated in any manner. That is why I wrote it as 24. Also, or else, had it been repeated, it would have been 4 to the power 4. Clear? Now, 2 and there, certain conditions are given. 2 and 3 are not to immediately follow each other. Okay? That means 2, 3 combination cannot be there. 3, 2 cannot be there. Clear? 2 and 3 are not to be immediately follow each other. 1 is not to be immediately followed by 3. 1 is not to be immediately followed by 3. 1, 3 combination won't be there. 4 is not to appear at the first place. Sorry, last place. 1 is not to appear at the first place. Clear? So all these conditions given, we need to frame how many different numbers can be formed using all these conditions. Applying PNC here will be a bit tough task. Why? Because such itne sare conditions, you have to subtract so many things. So the best approach here I would suggest would be writing down those numbers. Okay, 24 numbers. But how to write that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Any numbers that begin with 1, no need to write them because these are already eliminated. 1 is not to appear at the first place. All those 6 numbers are eliminated then and there. Clear? Now numbers beginning with 2. First fix 2, then 1, then 3, 4, 2, 1, 4, 3. It is very fast. No need to worry. It would be very slow. How to write such numbers? These are very easy. 2, 3, remaining 1, 4, 4, 1. 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1. Done. Next. 3, 1, 3, 1. 2, 4 remains. So 2, 4. 3, 1, 4, 2. 3, 2, 4, 1. 3, 2, 1, 4. 3, 4, 2, 1. 3, 4, 1, 2. Clear? Next. 4. Beginning with 4. 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 3, 2. 4, 2, 1, 3. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 3, 1, 2. 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear? It's very easy to write. Now, apply these conditions. All those numbers which end with 4 are eliminated. Which appears 4 at the end are eliminated. 4 should not appear at the last place. Eliminated, eliminated. 4 is eliminated, eliminated. Clear? Next. 2 and 3 are not to immediately follow each other. So all those combinations where 2, 3 are present or 3, 2 are present are eliminated. See, 2, 3 present, eliminated. 3, 2 present, eliminated. 2, 3 present, eliminated. 3, 2 present, eliminated. 2, 3 present, eliminated. 3, 2 present, eliminated. Clear? Now, 1 is not to immediately followed by 3. 1 is not to be immediately followed by. So 1, 3 combinations are eliminated. 1, 3 combination eliminated. 1, 3 combination eliminated. So how many numbers are there? See, this is the first number 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1. 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2. All these are the 6 numbers 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, and 4, 3, 1, 2. Clear? So, total how many cases? 6 cases. So, your answer would be 6. Clear? Proceeding to the next one, that is question number 2. In a class of 60 students, where the number of girls is twice that of boys, number of girls is twice that of boys. Okay. Kamal, a boy, ranked 17th from the top. So from the top, Kamal is a boy who ranks 17th. So that means this is the first one. This will be 16 total. Clear? And Kamal is a boy. If there are 9 girls ahead of Kamal, how many girls here? Out of these 16, how many girls? 9. So how many boys? Boys would be 7. Kamal is also a boy. So at this position, number of girls is 9, number of boys would be 8. Why? यहाँ पे 7 है, this one 1, 8, because Kamal is a boy. Clear? Now, if there are 9 girls ahead of Kamal, the number of boys in rank after him, okay. First of all, there are 60 students. ये भी एक डेटा है. Total 17 खत्म हो गए. तो यहाँ पे total कितने होंगे? 43. Clear? Out of these 43, suppose girls would be G, boys will be B. Number of girls and number of boys will be G or B. So total number of girls. How many total number of girls? First of all, one relation is G plus B equals to 43. This is one relation. Clear? Next. Total number of girls here is G plus. यहाँ पे total number of girls is यहाँ तक 9. G plus 9. Total number of boys would be what? यहाँ पे total number of boys is B. Total number of boys यहाँ पे है 8. Now another relation is girls is equals to 2 times of boys. So number of girls is equals to 2 times of boys. Clear? So G plus 9 will be equals to 2B plus 16. Now G here is 43 minus B plus 9 equals to 2B plus 16. 43 plus 9 will be 52. 2B, this will go, this B will go that side. It will be 3B equals to 52 minus 16. 52 minus 16 would be 36. Clear? Now B will be equals to 12. If B is equals to 12, then G will be equals to 31. Clear? From this relation. Now the question here is the number of boys in rank after him. Number of boys in rank after him will be 12. B. Clear? So your answer is B, 12. Got it? Let us proceed to the next problem. 4 tests, physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology are to be conducted on 4 consecutive days. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Not in the necessary particular order. The physics test is held before the test which is conducted after biology. Physics test is held before the test which is conducted after biology. So there would be 2 cases, right? देखो, physics test is held before the test. A test before the test which is conducted after biology. This is biology. A test would be conducted here. Now, before that test, physics is held. So, physics can come here or physics can come here because there are 4 cases. So, can I say this can be a case where physics will come here, bio will come here, the test will come here, or the test can come here, bio can come here, physics can come here, or another case can also be there, which will be physics can happen here, bio can happen here, and test can happen here. Got it? Now, chemistry is conducted exactly after 2 tests are held. Exactly after 2 tests are held, chemistry is conducted. So that means, और एक केस भी हो सकता है, हाँ, chemistry is conducted exactly 2 tests. So chemistry would come here exactly after 2 tests. So 2 tests done. So these 2 cases are eliminated. So your answer would be this: physics, bio, chemistry, and maths. What is the last test? The last test is maths. Got it? Because it says chemistry is conducted exactly after 2 days. Exactly after 2 days, chemistry is done. So third is occupied. Physics bio का link हो गया था. This one would be maths. So proceeding to the next problem. This is question number 4 for you. 15 students failed in a class of 52. 15 students failed in a class of 52. So total 52 students, 15 failed. Pass कितने? 27. 37. A merit order list has been prepared in which the position of Ramesh is 22nd from the top. Ramesh is 22nd. That means this would be 21. Ramesh's position is 1. So total becomes 22nd. What is his position from the bottom? So this is the top. This would be the bottom. I have transposed it. This is the sequence. जो vertical था उसको मैंने horizontal कर दिया. This will be top. 21 students here. This one student is Ramesh. Therefore, the rank of Ramesh is 22nd. Total number of students here is 37 which are passed. That means 22, 37. That means 15 students here. Clear. This will be 15 students. So total becomes 37. So what is the rank of Ramesh from bottom? 16th. Got it? No need to use n-1, n+1 formula. This simple logic of arrangement will help. So your answer will be 16. Coming to the next question. This is question number 5. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are standing in a row facing north. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So total how many seats are there? 8 seats. No need to do these boxes in the exam. Simple spaces will also give you the correct answer. Now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are facing to the north. So this is north. They all are facing to this side. B is not a neighbor of G. B is not neighbor of G. So that means if G appears here, B cannot appear in this two position. We need to remember this fact. Okay. We cannot assign them right now, but it will come handy once you place G. F is to the immediate right of G and neighbor of E. That means F is to the immediate right of G. This is G. G's immediate right would be F and is neighbor of E. So E's neighbor is F. That means G, F ke left hand side is occupied. So right hand side will be E. So GFE will be a code which will come in 3 consecutive position. Clear? G is not at the extreme end. So G cannot be here. G cannot be here. A is 6th to the left of E. 6th position to the left. Now, if E is here, A can come here. Or if E is here, then A can come here. These two cases are possible. Finally, we came to this conclusion that these two cases are only possible where E position is either second from the left or first from the left. Extreme position or the second one from the left. Sorry, from the right. A is 6 to the left of E. This is given. H is 6 to the right of C. H is 6 to the right of C. Now here, if H is occupied, then C will come here. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. C will occupy here. Or if H comes here, then C comes here. These two cases are possible. Now we need to check which will be the correct option. Now we need to place GFE. Now GFE can come in this position or no, this will not be possible. देखो GFE will be a code which we got it from this position. This one, F is to the immediate right of G and neighbor of E. Now E is here, it has to contain G and F. So this case is also eliminated. So your answer would be this. G and F will come here because GFE is the code consecutive position. B is not the neighbor of G. So that means B will not come here. B will come here. Remaining is D. D comes here. Now what is the question? C is to the immediate left of A. Nahi. A and C are extreme position. This is wrong. D is immediate neighbor of B and F. B and F. No, D is not the immediate neighbor. B is to the immediate right of D. G is to the immediate right of D. D is immediate right. G is to the immediate right of D. Be very careful. G is to the immediate right of D. हाँ, G is to the immediate right of D. Immediate right में G है. D is immediate right. Clear? So this will be the correct answer. C. Coming to question number 6. So these are two items we'll be dealing in the next lecture. That will be lecture number 47. So we'll see you in the next day in lecture number 47. Until then, have a great day. Bye. Take care everyone. Jai Hind.